I'm going to tell you exactly why using charcoal can help you improve your artwork in any medium you work in. One of the best things about charcoal is how easy it is to create soft, seamless blends. Let me show you a simple technique to establish your base layer. I'm using a mop brush to apply charcoal powder, which gives a smooth, even tone. This is a great way to lay down a foundation for your drawing. The beauty of charcoal powder? It erases completely. You can use a kneaded eraser or a Tombow mono eraser to lift out highlights effortlessly, sculpting light and form with ease. No charcoal powder? No problem. You can achieve a similar effect by lightly sketching with a charcoal pencil or stick. Just go easy, don't press too hard, and you'll have a delicate layer that's perfect for blending or erasing. Blending is where charcoal truly shines. Its smudgy, forgiving texture makes it the easiest medium to blend, hands down. You can use a traditional blending stump, a Q-tip, or even a rolled up piece of paper towel to smooth out your marks. No need for fancy tools. With just a few basic supplies, you can create rich gradients and soft transitions that bring your drawing to life. Now, before I share the 3 keys to realism, here's a quick message from my sponsor, me. I'm my sponsor. Are you enjoying this sea turtle? You can draw this with me over at patreon.com/Lachri for as little as $6 a month. You get access to this and over 400 of my other long-form lessons, as well as my weekly Patreon-only live stream lessons. Let me help you take your work to the next level. Many artists believe that mastering realism is about choosing the perfect colors or perfecting every brushstroke. But here's the truth. Those aren't the most important factors. When it comes to creating lifelike, realistic artwork, there are 3 critical areas you need to focus on, no matter what medium you're using. First, accuracy in drawing and attention to detail. Realism starts with getting the proportions, shapes, and details right. Train your eye to observe closely and capture the essence of your subject accurately. Charcoal speed lets you practice this skill quickly, helping you to refine your draftsmanship in record time. Second, understanding values. Values are the range of lights and darks in your drawing. They're the backbone of realism. You need to make sure that your highlights are bright enough and your shadows are deep enough to create convincing depth and form. Charcoal's bold contrast makes it the perfect medium to practice nailing those dramatic value shifts. Third is mastering edges. Knowing when to blend an edge for a soft, gradual transition versus keeping it sharp and defined is crucial for realism. Charcoal's blendable nature makes it easy to experiment with both soft and crisp edges, helping you to develop an intuitive sense of when to use each. These 3 principles, accuracy, values, and edges, are universal, whether you're working in charcoal, acrylics, or colored pencil. Mastering them will elevate your art to new heights. And because charcoal is so fast and forgiving, it's the ideal medium to practice and perfect these skills. Charcoal's speed and ease of use make it a powerhouse for artists looking to improve quickly. Unlike slower mediums like colored pencil or oil paint, charcoal lets you complete drawings faster, meaning you can produce more work and hone your skills in less time. Whether you're filling sketchbooks with studies or tackling large detailed projects, charcoal allows you to experiment, make mistakes, and learn without a huge time investment. But don't just take my word for it. Try out incorporating charcoal alongside your favorite mediums. Its lessons in blending, value control, and edge work will enhance your skills across the board. Plus, it's just plain fun to smudge, erase, and create bold, expressive marks. Charcoal is more than just a medium. It's a gateway to mastering the art of realism. Its simplicity, affordability, and speed make it perfect for artists at any stage, and the skills you gain will carry over to every medium you explore. So go grab some charcoal, a sketchbook, and start experimenting. Focus on accuracy, values, and edges, and watch your artwork transform. What is your favorite way to use charcoal? Share your tips or questions in the comments below. And don't forget, if you want to follow along with this tutorial, pencil stroke by pencil stroke, head over to patreon.com/Lachri, where you get this and over 400 other lessons for as little as $6 a month, plus new lessons all the time. As an added bonus, you will be able to send me your work for our monthly art critiques, where you can get personalized tips for your artwork during our members critique live stream. If you want to know more about charcoal, check out this video here.